Good morning student and welcome in our today's session. In last time we see the first point in our second chapter, application of derivatives, that is geometrical application of derivative and a derivative as a rate measure, and we see also the exercise 2.1 which depends on the first point. Now we start our second point, that is approximation. In last year in 11th standard we see the first principle of derivative. We know if f is a function and which is differentiable, if f of x is differentiable function, then we write by using first principle, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is called as a first principle of derivative. Now we find the derivative at x is equal to a. F dash of x at x is equal to a. Since we write f dash of a is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Instead of x, we find the derivative at x is equal to a. Now consider here as h is very small. Then we write this as f dash of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. That is, now here we take the approximate sign. This is symbol of approximation. If h is very small, then we write f dash of a is approximately equal to this. That means h into f dash of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. That means f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a, and this is a formula for approximation we use to solve our second exercise, that is exercise 2.2. So remember this formula for approximation, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Now we start to solve our exercise 2.2. What is question 1 here? See. Find the approximate value of given functions at the required points. So first one function is root 8.95. So let us consider function which is in the form of function. That means f of x is equal to root x. कशामध्ये दिला रूट मधला फंक्शन आहे, सो राइट f of x is equal to root x. Take the derivative, then f dash of x. What is derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x. Now here take the value of a plus h. A plus h means that value, that is 8.95. Now we have to split this 8.95 in a and h. But नंबर घेताना कसे घ्या, a हा नंबर असा घ्या की ज्याचं काय निघेल आपल्याला स्क्वेअर रूट निघालं पाहिजे. मग 8.95 च्या जवळ मागे किंवा पुढे असा कोणता नंबर आहे की ज्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट निघतं, तर कोण येतो 9 आहे. ज्याचं स्क्वेअर रूट किती मिळतं आपल्याला 3 मिळतं. सो दिस 8.95 कॅन बी रिटन ॲज 9 minus 0.05. 8.95 can be written as कसेही नंबर्स लिहायचे नाहीत. डोंट राईट 8 plus 0.95. 8 चं रूट निघतं का, असा जवळचा नंबर शोधा की ज्याचं काय निघायला पाहिजे स्क्वेअर रूट फाइंड करता आलं पाहिजे. सो दिस नंबर इज 9 minus 0.05. Since a is equal to 9 and h is equal to minus 0.05. Here we find the value of a and h. Now use formula for approximation. Therefore, by using approximation, what is formula for approximation? That is f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. What is a plus h? That is given value 8.95 is approximately equal to f of a means f of 9. Value of a is 9, so write here 9 plus h, value of h minus 0.05 into f dash of a. Again it is 9. Now f of 8.95 फंक्शन कसं डिफाइन केलेलं आहे? f of x is root 8. Since f of 8.95 is under root 8.95 approximation as it is. F of 9. What is f of x? Root 8. Since f of 9 is root 9. Minus 0.05 as it is. Into f dash of 9. What is f dash of x? 1 upon 2 root x. Since what is f dash of 9? That means which is 1 upon 2 root 9. Root 9 is 3. Minus 0.05 as it is. 1 upon 2 into root 9 is 3. 3 minus 0.05 divided by 2 3s are 6. Which is 3 minus 6 zeros are 0. Again it is 0. Again 0. Now which is 50. Now 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Remains 2. Again it is 20. 6 3s are 18. Again it is 2 and it is 3 3. Since it is 3 minus 0.00833, we take only 2 decimals. So 10 minus 7, 3 which is 7, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 0 0, again 9 minus 0 9, and this 3 since it is 2.9. Therefore root 8.95 is 2.9917. मग आता अप्रॉक्सिमेशन म्हणजे एक्झॅक्ट इक्वल नाही निघत आहे व्हॅल्यू, पण अप्रॉक्सिमेट त्याच्या जवळची व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला इथे मिळते. मग 8 रूट 8च्या आधी कम्प्लीट स्क्वेअर कुणाचा मिळतं? तर रूट 4चा मिळतो. रूट 8च्या आधी कोण आहे? रूट 4 whose रूट इज 2. नाउ नेक्स्ट त्याच्या पुढचं कोण येतं? तर कम्प्लीट रूट वाला 9 आहे, त्याचं रूट 3 असतं. दॅट मीन्स the value root 8 which lies between this root 4 and root 9, since the value of root 8 is 2 point something, because this is less than root 9. If it is greater than root 9, then it is in terms of 3, but it is less than root 9 since the value is in terms of 2 point something. So root of 8.95 now which is approximate to 3. This is approximate to the root 9 since the value we get which is near equal to the value of 3. Now see the next question. Cube root of 28. Cube root 28. मग आता पहा क्यूब रूट 28. मग 28च्या जवळची अशी कोणती संख्या आहे की जिचं क्यूब रूट निघतं? तर 27 आहे पहा. Cube root 28 since f of x is equal to cube root x. Function is in the form of cube root x. Now let us, this can be written as x raised to 1 by 3. Since derivative f dash of x is equal to 1 upon 3 into x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. That means x raised to minus 2 by 3 which is equal to 1 upon 3 into x raised to plus 2 by 3. Now consider here a plus h means this value 28. मग आता हा 28 असं स्प्लिट करा की त्यातल्या एका व्हॅल्यूचं आपल्याला काय मिळालं पाहिजे? क्यूब रूट. सो वी टेक द क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27 बिकॉज क्यूब रूट ऑफ 27 is 3. 27 plus 1. Therefore a is 27 and h is equal to 1. Therefore again by using approximations, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. F of a plus h, that is 28. F of a, value of a is 27 plus value of h is 1 into f dash of 27. Now see here, how to define f of x? That is f of x means cube root of x. Then f of 28 is cube root of 28. Now again f of x is cube root x since f of 27 is cube root of 27 plus the 1 as it is. F dash of 27, f dash of x is 1 upon 3 into x raised to 2 by 3. So instead of x, we have to take the value of 27. 1 upon 3 into x raised to 2 by 3. So this x raised to 2 by 3 can be written as x raised to 1 by 3 square. So here 27 raised to 1 by 3 and whole things square. Cube root of 27 is 3 plus 1 upon 3 into, see here, cube root of 27 is 3 and again take it square, so it is 9. 3 plus 9 3s are 27. That is 3 plus, see, 27 3s are 81. 81 plus 1, that is 82 upon 27. Again 27 3s are 81. Again remains 1. Again we take 1 0 since it is 0. Now it becomes 100. Now next 27 3s are, again it is 81. Next again 10 minus 1 9. It is 1. Again we take 190 since the approximate value is 3.037 and something. Now again see here, मग पहा जर क्यूब रूट 27 असेल तर आपल्याला एक्झॅक्ट व्हॅल्यू किती मिळते? 3 मिळते. 3 चं क्यूब रूट किती दिलं आपलं? 27. बट दिस व्हॅल्यू 28 ही 27 पेक्षा मोठी आहे, म्हणजे तिचं जे क्यूब रूट आहे ते कसं मिळालं पाहिजे तुम्हाला? 3 पॉइंट मध्ये मिळेल, विच इज greater than cube root of 27 since the value of cube root 28 is 3.037 and so on. Now see the next question number 3rd. Fifth root of 31.98. Fifth root of 31.98. Again, take the number which is near to this 31.98, whose fifth root we have to take. So we know the number that is 32. Fifth root of 32 is 2. Since write this number f of x is equal to fifth root of x, that means x raised to 1 by 5. Now take the derivative. 1 upon 5 into x raised to 1 by 5 minus 1, that is 1 upon 5 x raised to minus 4 by 5, and again this can be written as x raised to plus 4 by 5. Also we can write this as a x raised to 1 by 5 and raised to 4, and x raised to 1 by 5 means fifth root. Now what is a plus h? 31.98. मग आता ह्याच्या जवळचा असा कोणता नंबर आहे की ज्याचं फिफ्थ रूट घेता येतं? तर तो 32 आहे पहा. सो दिस नंबर वी राईट ॲज ए 32 minus 0.02. This number can be written as 32 minus 0.02. Therefore a is equal to 32 and h is equal to minus 0.02. Therefore by using approximations, right, formula for approximations, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a h into f dash of a. What is a plus h? 31.98 is approximately f of a value is 32 plus value of h is minus 0.02 f dash of 32. How to define f of x? That is fifth root of x, hence the 31.98 and its fifth root. F of 32 is fifth root of 32 minus 0.02 as it is. Again see what is f dash of x? 1 upon 5 into x raised to 1 by 5 raised to 4. Here value of x is 32. Since we write into 1 upon 5, value of x is 32 raised to 1 by 5 and whole bracket raised to 4. 4 by 5 can be written as fifth root raised to 4. We know fifth root of 32 is 2 minus 0.2 into 1 upon 5. Fifth root of 32 is 2 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. That means it is 2 minus 0.02 and 16 5s are 80. if we take the product of this, then we will get 0.02 into 80. Since it is 2 minus 0.02, 1 upon 80. Here we find the value of 1 upon 80. Again 0, since it is become 100. That is the 0.0125. The value of 1 upon 80 is 0.025. Since 2 minus, if we take the product of this 0.02 and 0.015, since it is 0.0000250, and if we take simplification, that is 2 minus 0.00250, then we will get 1.99975. 31.95. Therefore, fifth root is 1.99, which is near to equal. This number is near to 32. This is near equal to 32. My exact 32 असेल तर 2 मिळेल, but this is less than 32 since its answer is in terms of 1.99. That means which is near to 2. व्हॅल्यू कुणाच्या जवळ असणार आहे? 2 च्या जवळ असणार आहे, कारण ही जी व्हॅल्यू दिलेली ही आपल्याला कुणाच्या जवळची दिलेली आहे? 32 च्या. So approximate answer of this fifth root of 31.98 is 1.99 and something. This is correct up to 2 decimals. It's okay. Now see our next question. That is question number 4. What is question 4 here? Next question, that is 3.97 raised to 4. Question 4. 3.97 raised to 4. Now let us consider f of x is equal to x raised to 4. This is in the form of function raised to 4, that is power function. F of x is x raised to 4. Hence, f dash of x is equal to 4x cube. What is given? That is 3.97 raised to 4. Correct. So, a plus h is equal to 3.97. So, again write the number near to this 3 points. So, since write 0.4 minus 0.03. Since the value of a is equal to 4 and h is minus 0.03. Since again using approximations. A plus h is 3.97. Approximately a is 4 plus h is minus 0.03 into f dash of a, that means 4. Now again f of x is what? That is x raised to 4. Since it is 3.97 raised to 4. Again f of x raised to 4, that means it is 4 raised to 4 minus 0.03 as it is. F dash of x is 4x cube. Since f dash of 4 is 4 into 4 raised to 3. It's 4x cube. But here instead of x, we take the value of 4. So that is 4 into 4 raised to 3. Now 4 raised to 4. 4 raised to 4. 4 square is 16. And again 16. 16 16s are 256. 0.03 into 4 and 4 cube. 4 cube, that is 16, and 16 4s are 6 4s are 24 and 6 4 1s are 4, that is 84. That means it is again 4 raised to 4. 256 minus 0.03 into 256. This 256 minus 3 6 are 18, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16, carry 1, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and we have to take 2 decimals. That means it is 7.68. Therefore, our answer 256 and which is 7.68. That means 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 6, 3. Here it is 5, again it is 15. So here 15 8. 8 7 are 15 and here it is 4 and 140, 248.32. 248.32. What is 3.97 raised to 4? Now see here, this number is near to 4. This number is near to 4. So 4 raised to 4. 4 raised to 4 is 256. But which is less than 4. So its answer is exactly or near equal to 256. म्हणजे कुणाच्या जवळ मिळेल ते तुम्हाला ऑब्वियसली 256 पेक्षा कमी मिळेल कारण 4चं फोर्थ रूट किती मिळतं 256 येतं. बट दिस व्हॅल्यू इज लेस दॅन 256. That means the value of 3.97 raised to 4 is 248.32. Now see the next question number 5 in our question number 1. .01 cube. Now see पहा 4.01 cube म्हणजे 4चा क्यूब कन्सिडर करा 0.1 होतं. 4 क्यूब किती मिळतं 64. 4 क्यूब इज 64 बट दिस व्हॅल्यू इज ग्रेटर दॅन 4 दॅट मीन्स 4.01. सो इट्स आन्सर आणि खूप पण मोठी नाहीये 4 पेक्षा. 4च्या अतिशय जवळ व्हॅल्यू आहे म्हणजे याचं आन्सर जे आहे ते आपल्याला कसं मिळणार आहे इन टर्म्स ऑफ 64 पॉइंट समथिंग. f of x is equal to x cube. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 3x square. A plus h is 4.01. That means 4 plus 0.1. We split the 4.01 as 4 plus 0.1. Therefore, A is 4 and h is 0.1. Therefore, by approximations, f of a plus h is approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. What is a plus h? 4.01. f of a is 4. Value of h is 0.1 into f dash of 4. f of 4 function defined कसे केला x cube since 4.01 cube is approximately equal to f of 4 means 4 cube plus 0.1 into f dash of 4 is 3x square. That means 3 into 4 square. 4 cube is 64 plus here which is not 64 84 that is 0.1 into 3 4 square is 60. 64 plus 0.1 into 16 is 48. Since it is 64.48. Hence, the approximate value of 4.01 cube is 64.48. There is also second question, find the approximate value of trigonometry, that is sine 91 angle 20 degree trigonometries. So we find the approximate value of our question number 2 in next lecture. Thank you.